We're making your traditional omelet today, folks, but with just a little bit of a twist. Make sure you guys stick around to see what that twist is. Welcome back, friends. Sean again. We're back for another episode. Really excited to show you this omelet. It's nothing special. It's your typical omelet, but with a little bit of a twist to it.
What is the twist?
The twist, good question. The twist is we're gonna put a poblano pepper. We're gonna roast it on an open fire, and it's gonna elevate that omelet just a little bit more. Have you ever had it with a poblano?
No.
I don't know why I feel like chucking this at you right now. All right, guys, so stay tuned. This is how it's gonna go. Fire on. We're gonna add some oil just to get this onion going. I have half a onion chopped already. Onion goes in. Looks like a lot of onions, huh?
A lot of onion.
We'll just give it a little mix and let this cook down just a little bit. While that's cooking down, let me ask you, do we even know what the hell omelet means?
No idea.
No idea. I didn't either until I searched it. Omelet is just a bunch of different ingredients chopped in and thrown into the actual pan. Where does the word stem from? I have no idea.
I have no idea.
Yeah. So an omelet, per the search engine, is a French word. Amulette. Amulette is the way they say it, but the English version of it is omelet. And per the search engine, it says that it goes back to ancient Persia, where the dish was made probably a little bit different, but in French word, omelet is just a bunch of different ingredients cut up, thrown into the pan with the eggs. There's the American omelet and there's the French omelet. The American omelet is thicker and it's a little bit more crispier versus the French one is more softer around the edges and not as thick. So this is not the American, this is not going to be the French, this is going to be the garlic and butter way. So now that the onion is caramelizing a little bit, we're going to soften that up. I have half of a green bell pepper and half of a yellow. Your preference, your choice. That's going to go in. We're going to cook that down as well with the onions. Give that a little mix as well. Turn up the heat. To this, I'm going to add a little bit, tiny pinch of salt, just to draw out all the moisture from the peppers and the onion, and a little bit of black pepper, just to start off. Not too many seasonings in this one. While the onions and peppers are doing its magic, I'm gonna throw this on the actual fire, okay? And this is gonna roast. This is gonna add totally different flavor. It's gonna make it absolutely delicious. I also have a jalapeno preference that I'm gonna roast as well, just a little bit. I like to have jalapeno with my omelet. I have some Italian sausage here. Your choice, again, preference. I like to just cut it up into little cubes like that. That goes in the dish. Nothing perfect. We're just cooking at home, folks. All right, we'll give this a little mix and let this cook as well. This is a nice little dish to do Sunday morning. Get up, whatever you have left over that you haven't used, you want to get rid of, you don't want to throw it in the trash, throw it into your omelet. That's why they say everything but the kitchen sink, right? All right, so let's check on this one. Nice and roasted. Look at that. Oh, yeah, baby. Beautiful. All right, we're almost there, folks. Almost there. To this, we're going to be adding about a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. And of course, Mr. Butter. We can't forget
Garlic and butter.
Garlic and butter, exactly. So we're gonna take about a quarter stick of that. Add that, let it do its magic. This is a meeting of flavors. We're gonna add a little bit of oregano. Pinch of oregano goes in.
And we give it a mix.
And we wait. Poblano is done, nice and soft, nice and charred. Now again, if you want to take out the skin, it's up to you. I'm going to keep the skin on because the flavor from the skin is really what elevates this. We'll set that aside.
Smell of the onions, the smell of the peppers, the smell of the sausage.
It smells good. And obviously you guys over there in YouTube land are wondering, dude, it's dark outside. What time are these guys cooking damn omelet? Well, it is almost 10 o'clock and we're cooking a breakfast omelet. My brother's genius idea, he's like, bro, because I feel like having an omelet. So that's why we're doing an omelet today. So we're gonna let this cook for a few more minutes and we'll be right back. All right, now the poblano is gonna go in. And mix again. This poblano is gonna add a really nice flavor to it. And if you don't have poblano, if you can't find it, you can always use an Anaheim chili. That goes excellent too.
You love Anaheim chili.
I love Anaheim chili. Oh, I lost the sausage. We lost the sausage, folks. Pepper, come on. When it hits the floor, our dog, Pepper, comes like a vacuum. There you go.
Didn't go to waste.
Didn't go to waste. All right, guys, while we're waiting for all this to get done, I'm going to be using 6 eggs. These eggs are at room temperature, and this is really simple. Pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper. Another thing, I don't know if you guys know, is a little bit of milk with your eggs will make it a little bit more fluffier. That's about 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Doesn't have to be 100% exact, okay? And then you just whisk.
This smells killing me, bro. Like seriously, it smells so good. The sausage.
It actually does smell really good, guys.
If you had a way to record like 4D where people could smell.
Yeah, right? Their noses come out of the camera and they smell them and they go back. What I like to do is bring it in nice and tight, just like that. I'm going to lower the temperature. We're going to put it around just like that. Ah, one pan omelet. It's going to stay in the pan, folks. Okay, now just let it be. All right, we're gonna give this a little bit of a tilt, just a little bit. Right, I want to keep this omelet solid. You just play with the liquid just like that, and it just starts cooking. Everything feels like it's in slow motion right now. Bro.
It probably is.
See, look at that, what it does. You see all the liquid? It's going in the back. Why so quiet? My brother's mesmerized by what's happening right now. I'm so tempted to like take this and just flip it right now. Should I do it?
You're gonna lose a lot more sausages.
That's a good one. I could literally take this and flip it in half, but my stubborn self right now is saying, no, you're not. And I really, really want to flip this, bro. I could do it.
I know you can do it probably, but you're probably gonna lose.
Should I flip it?
If it's a fail, then this whole
If it's a fail, then whatever.
This whole episode's gonna go to.
We'll call it the epic fail omelet.
We're not gonna have anything to present though.
No. This is it right here. What you see is what it is. All right, we're getting that little crust right here. All right, now to cook the top a little bit more, just give it a little cover for about a minute or two, and then voila. All right, folks, this is the end. Per me, this is done. If you guys want it to go a little bit longer, that's absolutely your choice. I have some cilantro that I've chopped up. We're going to add that to it. I like some chili flakes on mine. Put that on there. And the jalapeno. Nice long strips. We'll take it. We just kind of dress it up like that. Beautiful. Some avocado. Take that out, cut it however you'd like. Dress it up really nice. And last but not least, we're gonna add a few slices of tomato. All right, guys, there you have it. A nice, beautiful Sunday morning. It's not morning, but a nice breakfast to have anytime is this little quick and easy recipe to make an omelet.
Can I ask you a question?
Huh?
How are you gonna eat it?
Well, I'll show you how I'm gonna eat it. You guys ready? I'm gonna eat it. I have a tortilla here. Just cut it up like that. Nothing fancy, right? Remember? Take it just like this.
Ooh, hopefully it doesn't burn your rear.
Nah, it won't burn me, bro. I'm used to it. An avocado. Holy schmoly. All right, grab your favorite salsa. In this case, I didn't have time to make salsa, but this jar one is really good. And I'm gonna move in, bro. You gonna watch me eat this?
I'm gonna watch you eat this.
Oh, back.
I'm gonna wait for you to make me one.
Oh, it's awesome. Wow, guys, absolutely amazing flavors. You could taste the actual poblano in there, a little bit in the background. That jalapeno comes through. It's absolutely delicious. Make sure you guys give it a try. Give us a thumbs up. Actually, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And to those who have, we thank you so much from the bottom of our heart. And until next time, don't forget, ringle-dingle that bell.